my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again after a long time. So let's start trading session without wasting any time. Okay, so in today's session I'm going to show you that how we can take trades on a visible levels. Okay, by visible levels I mean that the level which is this one. Okay, now you can see this is the level. Okay, so now you can see here market is reversing from this point, and now let me show you here. If I connect this second area from this point to this point, this is my second level. Now I can go here easily with the buyers. Why I have taken a trade in an up direction? Why? If you analyze this market, you can see here market will not reverse until it becomes weak, or if it is not in a proper situation. Now you can see a normal candle, then again a strong candle, then again a very strong candle. It means that things are going like this, and like this. So it means that market will definitely go up and it will make here another bullish candle, and it is a real breakout. Okay, so it is a real breakout. So now you can see we will definitely win this trade. Okay, let me stay here on this page. Now you can see I won this trade. Now if you really want to go with the momentum, and if you think that the momentum will continue, so it means that you need to focus on few things. So what I did here, let me show you here. Okay, so now you can see a candle, then again much stronger, then again much stronger. So you can see this is not a good momentum. Now you can see small, again very big, again small candle. So this momentum will not work. Now you can see this momentum will not work at all. This momentum is good one to go and take your trade, and it will reverse when you get a weak candle. Okay, it will reverse when you get a weak candle. Okay, now you can see here again what I am seeing here. I am seeing here a momentum. Okay, now you can see strong candle, weak, much stronger. So if this third candle becomes much stronger here, you can go here again in an up direction. And now let me show you here. Now if I want to go and check the left side, let me show you here. From this point you can see this is a previous resistance. Now you can see this is a previous support, sorry, and now it connects here as a resistance. If this candle closes here, and if it closes as a weak one, so let's see. You can see exactly from this zone market is trying to reverse, so we can expect here. Okay, I can go here with the sellers. Okay, so I have taken a trade here in a down direction. So I want to show you here again the same theory. You can see here it was a momentum which started also from, you can see I have counted only 3 candles: a good candle, a much bigger candle, but a small candle, so now you can see here that on the left side we are seeing that there is a level, and momentum is getting much weaker here. So because of that you can easily see that we will get here 110% a bearish candle. So I want to show you here. Now you can see, okay, now you can see I won this trade. So now it is telling me that how you can analyze the market. Okay, so this topic was all about the momentum trading, and now you can see I have shown you all the easiest way to take your trade on momentum. So what kind of momentum you will follow always? So I will draw it here, a small, much bigger candle, then much bigger candle. It means that it is getting the momentum, real momentum for the buyers. Okay, so if you see a situation like this, okay, so it will not work, it will reverse the market, as you can see here this situation, and as you can see here this situation. So this situation is totally related to this one, and this situation is totally related with this one. And now you can see again what happened at the level. You can see I took another trade. I have considered only these three candles, where first candle was this much good, second candle was this one, and the third candle was like small one. So because of that market reversed and it went down, and it is still going down. So this is the situation, and by using this thing you can easily take your trades. Okay, and why I'm not making the videos, because I'm suffering I don't know what kind of problem is going on and in my PC. So when I install IQ option, it is not working, and right now I'm using a web page browser. So on this I am using my IQ option, and also I try to tell you all that what is the easiest way to take your trades on momentum. So how you can take your trades easily by using the momentum, so you can easily get a good profit. Okay, so now let me find the situation here. Now you can see here there is no need to follow a situation like this where candles are abnormal candles. By abnormal candles I mean one is very much big, second is small, and third one is very weak. This is not the way. You need to find a proper situation like this. You can see normal candles with normal bodies, they will help you to go and take your trade in a down direction. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, now you can see here again, you can see here this is not a normal situation to take your trade. Small again, a suddenly very big candle which can reverse the market in a momentum. So let me show you here. Okay, where I'm seeing okay, I want to show you here. Now you can see here again. Okay, now you can see small candle, very big candle, again a small candle. So it is not a proper situation. So now you can see small candle, very big, again a much weaker candle in terms of this candlestick, again market reversed. So you need to take care of all these points. Now you can see, okay, let me show you here. This is a momentum. Now you can see it is a very weak candle, because of that market reversed again. So you can see here whenever we are getting the normal candles, market is trying to go down. So the size of candle is very much important. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram. And also the level SNR plays a very important role while you take your trades. So always be alert on SNR levels. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now. I will share more videos, so kindly subscribe, comment and share. Bye for now.